Hey guys, it's Stephanie with the For Sure family, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some things that I love to do with dollar store items. But before I get into my video, I just want to say thank you to all our subscribers who have continued to show us love. Be sure to check out some of our videos. We do so many different things, like with the holidays, we did a lot of different crafts with pumpkins. We made a lot of different foods, and trust me, we made some really good food. So if you haven't subscribed just as of yet, make sure you hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment, and just sit back and just enjoy some of the things that we like to do. In the background, I have a craft that I have made from the dollar store. I am a Pinterest junkie. I love anything that has to do with Pinterest. And what I did was I stumbled across dollar store crafts. It is the best way to make something cheap. And so if it doesn't come out good, guess what? You only spent a couple of dollars on it. So this is my heart wreath that I've made for, you guessed it, Valentine's. And I saw it on Pinterest and I said, let me see how hard it is to recreate this. Well, it looks beautiful to me. I love it, but there were some challenges. So I definitely want to take you through some of those challenges I had. I hope you enjoyed this video, so be sure to sit back and relax. These are the items that are needed. Everything was purchased from the Dollar Tree. You have your ribbon, your pink roses, your heart frame, and your glue gun. The roses did originally come on bunches, and all you have to do is just pull them from those bunches. They come off really easy. And then you want to take each rose petal, or however you want to say, and glue them on your heart frame. I advise to go down the row, just follow that heart frame. It'll be a lot easier, and that way you can keep it as tight as possible so you won't have a lot of gaps. My advice to you when putting or gluing the roses on the frame, you want to use as much glue as possible. Make it as tacky as possible. All the strings that come along with the hot glue is so easy to pull. That's one thing about hot glue. It's easy to clean up. So I just say get as tacky as possible. That way your wreath will be intact when you finish. You won't have anything falling. Like I said, everything was purchased from the Dollar Tree. I spent approximately $12. That was with the frame, and then I bought a whole bunches of roses. It was approximately 10 to 11 bunches that I bought. I had already had my hot glue gun, so I only had to purchase the frame and the roses, and the ribbon came from the Dollar Tree before, but I had it prior, so I didn't have to purchase it time. It was from another craft that I'd used. But like you see, I'm putting these roses very tightly beside each other, and you see how nicely that's coming along, and just bunching them as tight as possible so there won't be any gaps. I will tell you that you have to be careful when you start to get to the crease of the heart at the top. You have to be careful on how you situate your roses, because it will start to take on an oval shape. So when you get to that part, you want to make sure you just follow that pattern as best you can. Always like pick it up, hold it up just to look at it, because mine started to turn into a circle. I think I had bunched up so many roses in there because I was trying to focus on not having any gaps that I was like, oh wait, I had to pull some apart. Pull some off to keep that shape created in a heart. I mean, a circle would be just as nice, but this is for Valentine's Day, and I wanted to keep my heart shape. So as you see, I'm just going down, turn it around. I don't know if you could see that very well, but I'm just, keep following that pattern and gluing. Fun fact, Pop Shelf is a sister company of the Dollar Tree. If you have not been there, make sure you stop in. They had built one here and had it up for like a year, and I needed some crafts for some things, and I said, let me go into Pop Shelf. I heard that it was a craft store. When I went in there, I was really impressed, and the lady, she was like, oh, well, this is the sister company of Dollar Tree, and I was like, really? Didn't know that. But it is really nice in there. They have a lot of nice things, more than what the Dollar Tree has. But yeah, just wanted to let you know. I told her that I was going to be doing a video on a Wreaths on Wreaths, and she's like, make sure you come in. So I said I would give a shout out to Pop Shelf. Not like she's the owner or anything. I just like making cheap crafts, because if I don't like it in the end, guess what? I didn't spend too much money, and I found, just found something new that I could do. I like doing these things though. But it's starting to come into form. I like it. It's really looking nice. I like the colors, the brightness of it. Those flowers are so beautiful. You can use any color you like. Red. You could do just a whole nother theme. Like when Easter comes, you could probably even, do something with some Easter eggs, do something with some daisies. But you can do a whole bunch of stuff. They even have the round frames as well. So I plan on doing some things with the round frames. So make sure you check me out for that. But I'm going to kind of finish this up off camera. I just wanted to do at least one side so you can see what it looks like. So let me just finish this up and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the finished product. And I think it came out beautiful. Here I am just adding my ribbon to the top so it will be able to hang on to my wreath holder on the door. I just love the way this came out. This is the ribbon that I had. I think I had it for like a baby shower, but it goes really well with this pink. Anything will do. Any ribbon. Here I'm just folding it, trying to make it a little bit thinner so it can hang. I had kind of a challenge with this. In the end I had to glue it because it kept kind of rocking my wreath back to forth. So I was just trying to make it as thin as possible. And here I'm just going to tie it very simply on. But I just thought this came out really nice. I had some roses left over. Like if you could see some of the gaps where I was saying that on the top, where I had to take some of my roses out because it was starting to turn into a circle. When I put it on the door, you can't even see those. So you can see the gaps here, but when I situate it on the door, you'll see that you can't even see those gaps. And it makes it, you can see your heart shape a whole lot better. So I hope you really enjoyed this. I'm just making this tighter right now. I enjoyed making this. I had such a good time. I hope you try it. If you do, let me know what you think. Thank you for just showing support as always. I'm trying to lift this up so I can see, so I can show you the end product of it. That's me just fiddling around with it some more. Trying to show you, but I guess I didn't give you a really good look at it. I'll give you some pictures in the end so you can see. But let me lay it down, and that way you can see it better. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for checking us out. See ya. This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.